I'd like to introduce to you the fundamental counting principle, otherwise called the counting methods. Try and understand that statement there. It says if one operation can be done in a certain number of ways, say M1 ways, and a second one can be done in a certain number of ways, which is M2, the third one can be done in a certain number of ways, which is M3, and so on up to the nth one. The nth operation can be done in a certain number of ways, and that is Mn. Now the thing is, we want to know the total possible number of ways in which all those operations can be done. And we are saying to get your answer, all you'll need to do is to take the number of ways the first one can be done, multiply that by the number of ways the second one can be done, multiply that by the number of ways the third one can be done, and so on. I think an example will clarify that. So let's look at this example here. It says the menu at a new fast food outlet consists of the main course, dessert, and drink. So there is the main menu, there is dessert, and there is a drink. Okay, so a complete menu must have one choice from each part of the menu. So you need to pick something from the main menu, then pick something from the dessert, and pick something from the drink. You just need to do that to get a complete menu. Now for the main course, here are the choices. The main course, the choices are the beef burger, that is 1, the chicken burger, that is 2, the vegetarian burger, that is 3, and fried fish. So you can choose from any of those 4. So the number of ways in which you can choose the main menu is 4. What about the dessert? For dessert, you are choosing from ice cream, apple pie, and fruit salad. So in how many different ways, or how many different options do you have for your dessert? And that will be 3 in this case. Then you need to pick a drink in order for you to complete the menu. Now for drink, we are choosing from an orange juice. We can choose Coke, we can choose lemonade, iced tea, coffee, and tea. And that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different choices. Right, so this is the number of ways in which you can choose these separately. Now the question is, how many different complete menus can we actually form from this? And so using the counting principle, to answer this question, we'll just need to take the 4, which is the number of times we can pick from the main menu, multiply that by 3, which is the number of times we can pick from dessert, multiply that by 6, which is the number of ways we can pick from drink. And so we will get our answer of 72.